This channel is what studying abroad dreams are made of. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Hey, future global scholars. Welcome back to our channel, where today's video is about to change your study abroad game. So you've got your dreams as big as the world itself. But let's face it, the real adventure kicks off with all that important F1 visa interview. But fear not, we are your study abroad wingmen, armed with the ultimate F1 visa documents checklist. Buckle up, this is where your journey truly begins. First things first, what is an F1 visa? It's not just a piece of paper, it's your golden ticket to unlocking the doors of US education. And trust me, nailing that interview is the ultimate key. Ready for the ride? Passport? Check. It's more than just an ID. It's your ticket to exploring the world. And oh, the visa application confirmation. That is your golden rule. So don't even think about leaving home without it. In the world full of visas, show them the cha-ching with bank statements, proof of funds, and maybe even throw in a financial affidavit for good measure. Your academic journey is the star of the show. Transcripts, diplomas, test scores, they need to be the rock stars of your application. The golden ticket number 2, your offer letter. And don't forget the SEVI's receipt. It's not just paper, it's your backstage pass to the concert of a lifetime, your study abroad journey. Convince visa officers you're coming back for an encore. Whether it's job offers or family ties, show them you're returning with a brain full of wisdom. And there you have it, the ultimate F1 visa documents checklist. So hit that like button if you found this ride helpful. Subscribe for an all-access pass to more insider tips. And drop your visa success stories in the comments below. Until next time, dream big and conquer those visas. Thank you.